Have you ever wanted to build apps, websites, games, or even artificial intelligence but had no idea where to begin? Coding may look complicated, but every professional programmer started exactly where you are now, with zero experience. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to start coding the right way, avoid beginner mistakes, and build a strong foundation that can eventually lead to amazing projects or even a career in software development. If you enjoy learning technology in simple terms, subscribe to the channel and let's begin. First, what is coding? Coding is simply writing instructions that tell a computer what to do. Computers don't understand English the way humans do. They only understand precise instructions written in programming languages. When you open a website, play a game, use an app, or watch videos online, millions of lines of code are working behind the scenes. Coding is the language that powers our digital world. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. There are hundreds of programming languages: Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, Go, Rust. Trying to learn all of them immediately usually leads to frustration. Instead, choose one language and master the basics first. For most beginners, Python is one of the best places to start. Its syntax is clean and easy to read. Instead of worrying about complicated symbols, you can focus on understanding programming concepts. Python is also used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, automation, data science, web development. Even NASA and major technology companies use Python. Once you've chosen a language, install a code editor. A code editor is where you'll write your programs. One of the most popular choices is Visual Studio Code. It supports almost every programming language, offers useful extensions, and is completely free. Think of it as your digital workspace. Now it's time to learn the basic building blocks of programming. Variables store information. Data types define what kind of information you're working with. Conditions help your program make decisions. Loops repeat actions automatically. Functions organize your code into reusable blocks. These concepts appear in nearly every programming language. Once you understand them, learning new languages becomes much easier. Don't just watch tutorials. Write code. Experiment. Break things. Fix them. Programming is a skill, not something you memorize. The more problems you solve yourself, the faster your brain begins thinking like a programmer. Even experienced developers spend a huge amount of time debugging their code. Making mistakes is part of learning. Start with very small projects. Create a calculator. Build a number guessing game. Make a to-do list. Create a password generator. Then slowly move toward larger projects like websites, chat applications, or simple games. Every project teaches something new. Small wins build confidence. When you get stuck, and you will, don't panic. Every programmer searches for solutions. Read documentation. Search online. Ask questions in programming communities. Learning how to find answers is one of the most valuable programming skills you'll ever develop. Professional developers don't know everything. They simply know how to solve problems efficiently. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to code 10 hours every day. Even 30 to 60 minutes of focused practice each day will produce incredible progress over time. Learning a little every day is far more effective than studying for one long session every few weeks. Programming is a marathon, not a sprint. As your skills improve, start building a portfolio. Upload your projects. Share your progress. Keep improving older projects. A portfolio demonstrates your abilities better than simply saying you've learned programming. Many developers land internships or jobs because of the projects they've built. Let's quickly review the roadmap. Choose one programming language. Install a code editor. Learn programming fundamentals. Practice every day. Build small projects. Learn from mistakes. Stay consistent. That's exactly how thousands of professional developers started their journey. Remember, every expert programmer was once a complete beginner. The only difference is that they never stopped learning. If this guide helped you understand how to start coding, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's ready to begin their programming journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.